One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com, and what I got here for you today is a gorgeous 2000 Chevrolet 2500, C2500, I think it's not a K, and it's got nice, I don't know, I don't want to say new tires, but man, they just about as close to new as you're gonna get, with the gear vendors over underdrive on it. Nice crew cab truck, LS model. I'm gonna go around, just do a quick walk around. This is gonna be an exterior review. And I'll tell you what, Lily was going to come over with me. If you watch any of my videos, well, you know who she is. If you don't, well, you should be watching my videos. But she's going to come over. Man, it's like 100 out here, man. I'm sweating like crazy. And I just told her, you stay here. It's cooler there. There's a nice breeze. She don't need to be out here in the sun. But she does good helping out, running tractors, pulling cars around, and you'll see her. She says, can you please talk about me in the video? And I says, well, no. I'll tell them that Lily was too lazy to come. But she wasn't. She got her shoes on. She's ready to come, but it's just too hot. So, the car, I tell you what, if you're looking for a cool truck, the gear vendors over underdrive is quite an addition to your truck. You can check this out on my website, oneownercarguy.com. There'll be about 50-60 pictures on there, and a full video, a full video. The interior video I did last night. I'm gonna start showing you dings. There's a ding right there. I guess that'd be more like a dent. A dent ding, a ding. Starting to show a little wear on the Chevy sign. Underneath, I'll tell you what, man. It's a clean truck. You know, a little patina stuff on the wherever you get paint flicked off. Chrome is all in great shape. Bumper's nice and straight. Starting to get this shrinkage here and here, like you'll get on these gear of a truck. They just do that. Little slice here, like that. Now you don't have that there. It's gone, just like that. Hee-haw! Bodywork. Little groovy dent. That's a groovy dent, I tell you. A chippy scratch. They kind of scratched it. I got my own names for this stuff, I'm telling you. A little scuff there. That's just a regular name. I didn't make that one up. That's a watermark. A little tiny crack right there. Hands are filthy, I'm sorry. I've been working on stuff all day. Trying to leave, get back to Montana. Little dings in the fender molding. Wheel wells, great condition, clean as can be. Very clean truck. Like I say, these tires, little titties all over the side, man. They just put them on. It's just nice. The truck is just clean. So, down the sides, I'm going to show you there's a ding there. So a little scratch there. Scuffy scratch right there. I'll show you from the other side too. And going back, I just seen a couple more things. I'll show you coming forward. Little scuffs here. This kind of stuff, a lot of it will probably buff out. Not that it's a scratch. Scuff scratches here and there on the truck. Not perfect. Dent ding thing in that piece. Cracked the paint a little, and he really got a dent in that. So no rust or nothing, clean as can be, but ding, scuff, more of a scratch. And like a lot of that, look, it's a scuff, man. My guy's like, no, buffing it won't help. Well, you know, buffing it indeed would have helped, because look what's happening. It's just crazy. How? That one come off too. You know what? I should do this over. Seriously, I'm selling myself shirt. 2, 3 dings. Chrome railing across this, stainless, whatever you want to call it, diamond plate. I'm moving, and I've got to move from the place where my Valvoline trailers are. Moving, that's my storage lot that I export with. And I'm getting kind of moved. Scuffs, ding dent, kind of a denty dent, inside a dent, with a dent. Tailgate, got a couple dents. As you can see, the Chevrolet vinyl is worn. The surrounding piece is gone, and the little plastic pins here are getting worn to where they need lubed or something, and you got to put a plier in there, and the tailgate will open right up. It's got the bed liner in it, or the sprayed on Rhino type lining, and it's got the 5th wheel hookup. If you want the hitch with it, I've got one. Miscellaneous dings in the fender wells, like any truck you use would have, but overall it's very clean. DZ probably did this stuff, and maybe the Rhino lining stuff, I don't know. And I don't know if it's actual Rhino lining. 2 different brake controllers, flat blades and the 4-point or 4-prong, don't know what you call them. Nice hitch, 5 and 10, weight distributing 10,000 pounds, tongue weight 1,000. All kinds of different info for you to find out there. Plastic pieces are in great condition. You kind of backed into something there. I'm hoping the wind ain't too loud on this. I'm going to pop out behind and show you a couple things on this side. Fading going on this stuff. In fact, not just fading. This top piece here gives off, and you got to kind of get it started and then just take them off. Take them off with a little razor blade and just kind of, what are you going to do? I mean, they're just flipped up. Take your time to rip them off and they look better at the end of the day. That's my opinion. Little scuffs, scratches, stuff like that. Scuff. Same thing going along this, same thing going along this. You get all that crap off there and you can even sand it down and paint it. Ding here, miscellaneous scratches, ding here. Third brake light is inside. Most likely the lens piece is pulled through. Yep. Maybe a washer could fix it. But you can see the piece there is pulled through. Maybe you could glue it on if that's what you really wanted to do, because it is in a surrounding. So that's your choice. Buy a whole new fixture pretty cheap on these. So, boom, a couple little scratches, a scuff. See, that would buff out, man. That would just buff right. Look at that. Gone almost. It is. Jeez. This should have been buffed. Ding here. Look at this, my name. See that? Watch. Oh my goodness. Look at that finger buffing. Look at this. Oh my goodness, and this is just something on the paint. Oh, the price of this thing is going up every day. I'm gonna have someone say, you're rubbing on the nail, the price is going down. Whatever, buddy. I just got some scuffies out. Ding here. That ain't buffing out. That won't buff out. Okay, so that's the outside of the truck pretty much. Up top, I wanted to show you that. Got some fading starting. Going on with the clear coat, starting to release the pigment of the paint, however you call it. And it's just not in the shape it should be. Just not. So that's that. You know what? I'm just gonna hop in and take you for a test drive. Did the interior and under the hood review last night. I'll put them both up. This might be a little hard to hear in. Fires up and all that with no special warnings or nothing. Codes, check engine, nothing like that. This actually has a code. It's locked. AC is cold as can be in this thing. That's why I'm going to say it might be hard to hear, because I'll tell you what, man, it's hot today. Very, what would you call it? 3/4 1-tonnage feeling. It's got a very solid frame under it, and it's different than a 1/2 ton, that's for sure. And you can feel the different gear ratio too. I didn't know it was a 5.7 350 Vortec or whatever. I thought it was a bigger motor. Now, it's got a little boing on the brakes. Brakes work great. All of a sudden though, they're not really working. They're kind of let off a little bit. But they're working, but you really got to mash on them. Go ahead, bud. I'll let you go. Just go ahead, bud. You really got to mash on them, but not really a lot. Just more than you should have to is what I'm saying here. So, I don't know. There's 3 possibles. We'll go with the cheapest first. Probably the master cylinder. Second, well, bleeding them in something might be first, but there's master cylinder. Oh, man. I'll tell you what, it shifts nice. That's up to speed limit, like right now it's 45 and I let off a bit. It's a good running truck. I'm going to turn this AC down now. Maybe you can hear me better. It's just hot, I'm sorry. I can't handle it, I can't handle it. Got all kinds of stuff in the mirror there, and there I am. But no, I'm trying to show you this stuff. Steering with elbow. Downshift is great. Now I have no clue how the gear vendor over underdrive works. I know I'm going down the road at up to 40 miles an hour around 1,000 RPMs. So, and I know it seems like it shifts a lot different, but I'm not sure exactly how the gear vendors works. It's got an over underdrive And from what I understand, it splits the gears. And they have an automatic and a manual way to shift it. I know nothing about that. I know the trailer brakes are all hooked up. And so that's nice to have on your truck in case you want to pull a boat or a trailer or something. And I'll tell you, this thing will pull the bark right off a tree. It's a powerful little truck. And it's a nice truck. Oh, that's one thing I noticed. Your blinker, it doesn't auto click off when you're turning. I know I've shown you the corner of the cab there or something, but right there, you push on the brakes and it'll go right past it. So first could be master cylinder, second could be power booster starting or something, or ABS module, but you'd think an ABS module would flash a code in this kind of year. That's right, I didn't even hardly push on it. But I'm gonna push on the brakes really hard, and there's no problem at all stopping, and there was no lag in the thingy thing. Let's get back in the road now. Nice Ford. I know if you're a Chevy person, sorry, I'm doing a Chevy review. But sometimes you come up to a light and it's just in that point. And I'll tell you, I can't get the thing to do it most of the time. But when it does, you know it, you just push on a little harder, it works fine. But I'm straight up front about everything wrong with the truck. And there ain't much wrong with this truck. We've driven it around. I went and picked up a chair this morning in it, did some errands. Man, I'll tell you what, it goes. I mean, come on, 45 at 1200 RPM, that don't seem right. Okay, bud. I was only going the speed limit. Okay, so here we go, back to the place. I've got a lot of cars for sale right now, and I'll make you a deal on it. Boing, did you hear the boing? It'll push that brake back at you. I wasn't stopping, it wasn't messing with the way I was stopping, I just lightly had my foot on the brake, and it boinged it back at me. I'm getting ready to get out of here. That excursion we've been loading all day, been loading cartons and stuff to put on it. I'm gonna park this right here. Actually, I'm gonna put it in here. I got more stuff I can show you in here. Check this out, here we go. Across the trough, look at that little Starfire. I got all kinds of cars in here. I'm gonna put this thing in here. Both blinkers work, all that. AC's cold as can be. Heater goes to town. And I did not remember, yes, totally have the books, bunch of personal registration and stuff, but the books are here. Cover slipped off this one, back page. In fact, that's the front page, and it's all here though, where you can find out all about your truck, all about your warranty. That no doubt's over, but if there's a recall, it's nice to have. There's that. Little pocket up there, I didn't have it on the overall. Door handles and all this stuff has not fallen apart on this truck, which is really, really rare for a Chevy. And yeah, that's pretty much the whole thing. I'm going to show you the outside of it. Lincoln Town Cars going to Estonia. Mustangs for sale. I got a Dodge 4x4 over here for sale, and there's a Dodge Crew Cab dually. Starfire I was telling you about. Mercedes 420, S420. Got the Coupe 500 and a little Beamer convertible. All kinds of stuff. This stuff has to go, and I'll sell it cheap. Hemi Magnum. But here you are looking at this truck, and here I am telling you to give me a call, Nathan, 406-546-8748. And you can check out my website, oneownercarguy.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day or night, whatever it is, wherever you are. Again, oneownercarguy.com. Subscribe. Get some notifications. Click that little bell down there. That way you get notifications. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you.